Bonafide Hustler here.
E-Money here.
And we're just screwing around trying to make some money. Come join. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of E-Money's truck. That's right, E-Money's here.
Wait, how do you know it's me?
That's true. I don't know. Is it you?
Yeah.
Let's look at your hair.
Yeah.
Look at those sideburns.
You can tell.
There he is. Sideburns are just, they're not atrocious anymore. It looks good.
Back on 6 feet, 6 feet, 6 feet.
Shut up, E-Money. You're weird. So we're about to go get a coffee. We hit 2 garage sales this morning already. What did we get, E-Money?
Dude, you got this sick thing.
It's kind of sick.
Oh, I don't know. I just like it because I'm a surfer. You know?
Yeah, this thing is, okay, this is gonna go on my booth. It's totally not vintage, retro, anything, but it's Gap, and the artwork is like this.
Dude, it's getting
I don't know if this came like this from Gap. What do you think? It looks like it's
yeah, probably.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, it's kind of cool, but then like these dumb patches are they're just kind of stupid. Surf Team and, you know, this weird patch right here, and I don't know. It was $1. I think I could sell this in the booth for like 20, 30 bucks, so.
You know what's funny?
What's that?
Is that it's a longboard.
Okay.
And he's clearly on a short.
He's on a short board.
It could be a longboard, like right there,
weird.
but yeah, he's more on a short board.
That's so weird.
Enter at your own risk.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we found that. E-Money got some, what are those things they call? Hand trucks?
No, those are like kitty toys, but I'm gonna use them as hand trucks.
They're kitty toys?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna use it as a hand truck instead of a kitty toy. Okay, so we went to a garage sale, found pretty much worthless stuff. And then we went to some other garage sales, and it's in the back of your bed. We have something, we'll show you that. We're about to get a coffee, and we're about to go to 3 thrift stores. We wanna take you with us. And yesterday, I found 3 awesome bags at a Goodwill. So I wanna show you that when I get home. All right, let's go look at the thing in the back of E-Money's bed. While he's opening up his bed, I have a trivia question for you in the comments. Let's see if you can get it. Here it is in the comment feed. Can you name, don't Google, don't Google and don't look. Can you name 5 Little Debbie snacks? See. Do you think they can E-Money?
No.
No. All right, so this is what we got at the garage sale. This was 10 bucks. It's like this distressed mirror thing. It's pretty cool. I bet you in the booth I can fetch 100 plus for this all day. It's kind of weird because like it has like a bunch of COVID on it, but you know, it's cool. The lady was like, yeah, that's the way it came, and I'm like, I don't know, man. I think it's supposed to be clear mirrors. These are mirrors. See, you can see my fingers. I don't know, but for 10 bucks, I'm in. All right, E-Money. I'm like I'm like the worst dressed I've ever been in my whole life right now. I'm on blue, on blue, on blue. All right, it gets better, guys. Check this out. There is more blue here.
Dude, how old is that shirt? Probably as old as this camera.
This is like an American Apparel shirt. And yeah, I'm just like dressed, I'm not dressed to the 9s right now at all. I'm dressed to like the -5s right now. They have the coolest outdoor seating at this coffee shop. Look at this. It's like you can't even like adjust your seat unless you're like Thor. E-Money.
Yeah.
It makes some questions about you.
Yeah.
Okay. So been questions in the comments for the past 5 videos about E-Money, so we're gonna answer them right here on the side of the street. E-Money.
Yeah.
Are you a nurse?
Yeah.
Okay. E-Money. Are you single?
No.
Okay. Wait, what?
No.
Okay. Sure?
Yes.
Okay. E-Money.
Yeah.
Where is E-Money?
Right here.
Those are questions. Where's E-Money?
Wait. I'm over here.
I'm over here.
I'm over here.
What movie? What movie? Okay. You have to say it the right way for them to get it. They might not be able to get it.
Hey, Dad. I'm over here. I'm over here, Dad.
If you can get that, that's pretty good. Oh, never mind. I got more questions. E-Money, when's the last time you sold or resold something?
It was last week.
Okay, what'd you resell?
It was a Wii Guitar Hero, like a little metal Legends of Rock guitar. So they're pretty hard to find. And then I just paired it up with a Wii game. For
How much?
60 bucks.
60 bucks?
Yeah.
How much you buy it all for?
Probably $4.
Okay, so you can sell those kind of things locally. That's pretty good. Awesome. E-Money.
Yeah.
When was the last time you had a Doppio?
Oh, man, I don't know. Like right now, Doppios aren't gonna keep me as warm, so I just go with chais right now.
Yep.
Oh,
We like chai latte. We like chai lattes right now. They're pretty good. So that's what we ordered. We'll do Doppios again, like closer to the summertime, maybe the spring. I don't know. Cheers, Cheers to that, E-Money. Sip. It's definitely different. It has like no punch, you know, but I thought I was gonna This is good. A 2-aught chai. The meter's always 4. 4 is the best.
That's great.
It's a 2-aught chai for me.
But it doesn't match up to a Doppio.
Dude, Doppios are really good.
This is
when is the last time you guys had a Doppio? Comment down below. We're about to be at a Goodwill here in a second. So, have you had a Doppio? Do you even know what a Doppio is? Comment, 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 and hit the like button, please. You ready, E-Money?
Yeah.
Let's go inside. We've looked around. It's pretty bleak, right? I'm not seeing anything right now. Alright, so I found this t-shirt in the shirt section. It's $8. Believe it's obviously semi-current day, but Ocarina of Time, Zelda all over. Well, sort of all over. All over the front, not so much the back, but I'm gonna look this up just to see if this is worth some coin or what, but it's pretty awesome. $8. I'm leaning towards a yes, but we'll see. I'm gonna look it up right now. So on eBay, on solds and on active listings, I don't see this thing anywhere. I'm probably gonna buy it. It's just really cool. I mean, the real question is, you know, is it some repro that was done? This one looks like it was probably a 2013 kind of shirt. Still pretty cool for an all over or semi all over kind of deal. Thinking to buy it. We'll see. I guess we'll know on the next scene if I bought this thing. Okay, so I didn't buy that shirt. First of all, it's $8. Second of all, there's a small one on eBay for sale for like 15 bucks. It's just not worth it to me. All the collectible ones are just things that are completely directly related to the game. Promo use items, things like that. Definitely, from what I researched, there wasn't anything super all over-ish that was with Ocarina of Time, Zelda related, that I saw on active and on sold market on eBay. So, I don't know. Pass it up. It was $8. It's kind of steep for a shirt at a Goodwill. So, we're gonna go to another one. Check it out. Okay, we're at another Goodwill. I was just here yesterday, so I don't imagine that I would find anything here. I found 3 bags here yesterday, but we'll see what I find today. E-Money's looking around. E-Money, what'd you find? What are you getting?
So specialized women's bib.
Okay.
Pretty much mint. Should be 50, maybe 60 on eBay.
Okay.
Yeah.
For road cycling, right?
Yeah, road cycling.
What does the interior look like? Let's see the butt pad, E-Money.
It's great.
E-Money, show me the butt pad.
The chamois is perfect. It's like brand new.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. But then they can also check the very bottom here to see like how good this stuff is.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's good.
All right, E-Money. Thanks for showing me the butt pad, E-Money. Dropping off the mirror. Hey, what's going on?
Good morning, Chris.
One tag, just a single.
String?
Yeah, string.
Why? Biking and
Well, I mean, so we're gonna open the back door so I can get the heavy goods in. All the way. This thing's pretty big. That's what she said. Pretty nice. I would imagine it would sell today or tomorrow. Why are you covering your mouth?
Cedar.
Okay.
Cedar.
We gotta get this out of here. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next clip because I'm just gonna run this in the booth and be done with it. Back at the Hustler Casa. I'm so stupid. I was supposed to drop this off at the booth too, and I forgot to, so that has to go on the next booth drop off. Alright, so here are the 3 bags that I found yesterday. This is pretty cool. This is an Eagle Creek. I think it's like a Load Warrior or something like that. This is about a $320 bag, brand new. This one's in great condition. There was a snapped buckle on one of the things, so I have extras. I'm just going to install that. But this should sell for around $1 to $120 locally. No big deal. The big winner yesterday was probably this Toomey Alpha. It does have embroidery, or it's been stamped, I guess, whatever. But it's a rolling weekender kind of bag. They call it a compact Alpha, whatever. So there's a thing here. You get that out and you can go through TSA and everything at the airport. It's a wheeled luggage. This should sell for around 200 bucks. This was $10 at a Goodwill. Also $10 at a Goodwill, this Toomey gym bag, perfect condition, 24 inches long, beautiful bag. Should sell for around $1 to $150. I did get a $150 offer and I entertained it, but it came with a question as well. Like, does it come with a Toomey lock? Like, really? Do you care about the Toomey lock that much? What? Dumbest question ever, but I still accepted the offer, so we'll see if the guy pays today. But that was 10 bucks yesterday. This Toomey FXT Alpha gym bag right here. Sweet find. Some bags to bucks for sure. Yeah, you can go check out all my guides, by the way, at the second link down below. If you want to learn how to up your thrift game or garage sale game or whatever, those guides are there. All right, so this video is a little bit on the shorter side, more than likely. Also, check it out. Found that awesome bike for 20 bucks off Facebook Marketplace the other day. This is a Virtue Revive fixie / single speed. Should sell for around 100. So I found some cool things recently, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.